Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Peacock on Vizio TV step by step clearly. To activate Peacock on your Vizio TV, begin by turning on your television. Ensure your Vizio TV is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Navigate to the home screen using your remote control. Scroll down to the app section and find the Vizio Smartcast or apps icon. Select the app icon to open it. In the app section, look for the Peacock app. If you cannot find it, go to the App Store on your Vizio TV. Search for Peacock in the App Store. Once you locate the Peacock app, select it and choose the option to download or install. Wait for the installation to complete. After installation, launch the Peacock app from your app list. You will be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you need to create a new account, follow the on-screen instructions to set one up. Once logged in, you may see an activation code displayed on your TV screen. Take note of this activation code. Now, grab a device like a smartphone or computer. Open a web browser on your device. Visit the activation page at peacocktv.com/activate. Enter the activation code you noted earlier in the provided field. Click on the Activate button. You should receive a confirmation message that your device has been activated. Return to your Vizio TV to start enjoying the content on Peacock. Explore the app to find your favorite shows and movies. Enjoy streaming on your Vizio TV with Peacock. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.